Hey guys, how are you? Today, I will be showing you 4 different websites that'll help us in making money online today in 2021. Whatever your age is, you can do this. And you don't have to worry because even if you're an introvert or an extrovert, you can also do this. As I've told you, there are 4 different ways, right? So you can choose whatever you like. And all of these websites are legit. Very legit. In fact, a lot of people online, like millions of people online, use these websites today in order to make money. And you don't have to worry at all because these websites are not like those websites where you'll have to answer surveys and earn like 10 cents or watch an hour-long video and earn just 20 cents. No, this will help you earn a lot. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Smash the like button and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Here for our first website, what you'll need to do or what you'll need to have is English skills. You need to understand and you need to speak in English. You need to know how to converse in English. And since you're watching this video, I am assuming that you already know how to do that. You understand my videos, that's why you watch them, right? So if you're someone who's like an extrovert and you like having conversations with other people and you understand English really well, then this is the perfect website for you. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and of course, your very own English skills. Now, once you have all these 3, you can earn up to $10 every hour. This website is an English tutoring website and you don't have to worry at all because you don't need a license, like a teaching license, in order to do this. Again, all you have to do is have your English skills, internet connection, and your PC. Now, what does this website do? Since this is an online tutoring website, of course, you're going to be a tutor. You'll be tutoring people all over the world on how to speak English. Now, if someone who doesn't speak English wants to learn about it, then they would come over to this page, and this is Cambly, over Cambly.com. What they're gonna do is basically they're going to sign up here on this page, and then you are here to help them. So this is how this works. These people right here will sign up to this page, right? Because they want to learn English. And then Cambly, they will match them to someone who knows how to speak English or to someone who will tutor them, which is you. So what'll happen is that you'll have a conversation with this person and just talk to them through the webcam or through the internet. And this is so great because you get to talk to different people, you get to learn different languages, and also you get to learn more about their culture, which is definitely great. And if you're really into that, if you're really into knowing something new, or if you're really interested in knowing other people's culture, then this is perfect for you. What I also love about Cambly is that you will always have an opening for this job, right? Because whenever it's nighttime for you, it's morning in someone else's place. And whenever it's morning in your time, it's nighttime in other people's places. So whatever time it is, you will always have the opportunity to tutor someone. And that is really great. This also has a very reliable payout source, which is PayPal, and you get paid every Monday. Now, before we proceed to the next step, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, please leave this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's go back. So Cambly is for someone who is comfortable in talking to people online or talking to strangers online. Now, if you're not comfortable with that, you don't have to worry because the next website will be perfect for you. So this right here is the next website, and this will pay you $10 per review. Now, what is this website? This website is called TryMyUI.com. Now, what is this? What is UI? UI means user interface. So you're going to review app developers or website developers. Basically, all you have to do is just rate and give a review on how usable the interface is or the application is. What'll happen is that you'll have access to this exclusive pre-launch website where you can play around it. where you can use the application or the software freely. And while you play around the website, you are going to record your voice. So while you're exploring it, the application or the website, you're going to voice out your opinions, whether you like it or not, whether you'll be using it, or if you think you can recommend this to your friends, something like that. So all you have to do is just voice out your opinions. And you don't even have to show your face. You just have to record your own voice. Now, if you're doubting yourself, then just think about this. If you go to a restaurant and you get bad service, of course you're gonna tell the restaurant management, right? Or you talk to the waitress and tell them, hey, I have a problem with this, I have a problem with that. If you can do that in real life, then of course you can do that here. And what's so great about this is that while you do that, while you voice out your opinion, you are getting paid. Now, as I've said, you are going to earn $10 per review on this. And every review lasts up to it's gonna take you 20 minutes or so. So if you think about it, if you do this back to back within an hour, so that's like 60 minutes, you can make up to $30 per hour, and that is already big. Now, in terms of the payment, you'll get paid every Friday via PayPal, so you don't need to worry at all. Alright, now before we proceed, I want to ask you guys, what life lesson have you learned during this pandemic? And have you been well? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now, the next website which I'm about to show you guys is perfect for people who don't want to talk to strangers or who don't want their live reaction recorded as a review. Now, this has no interaction whatsoever with the person, okay, or live or something like that. Nope. This is all behind the screen. So what you're gonna do right now is you're going to listen and type. This website is GoTranscript.com. Now, this website allows you to earn $1,250 every single month. So how does this work? For example, there's a video, for example this video right here, and I want to hire you to transcribe this video for me. So what you'll do is just watch a video, for example this video right here, watch this video, listen carefully to everything that I say and type it word for word. That's it. That's all you need to do. So you don't have to interact with other people. All you have to do is just wait for job listings or job postings and apply whenever you want. So right now, guys, let's proceed to the next and final website for today. And this is over at rev.com. Again, that is rev.com, rev.com. So this is like an online job marketplace where you can transcribe, you can translate, and do other stuff like that. But what I love about this, or the best part about this, is the captioning service or the captioning job. So what is captioning? The captioning service allows you to earn up to $1,500 per month. So essentially, what you do as a captioner is like this. So for example, you watch a Netflix video or a YouTube video and you find captions below or you find subtitles, right? You can see them, you can read them, they are all in sync. That is a job of a captioner, guys. All you have to do is transcribe the message of the video or the movie or whatever it is. You're gonna type every single word and you have to make sure that it is in sync with the video. So what I can say is that rev.com and GoTranscript.com are two websites that are great for people who don't want social interaction. So if you are someone who don't want to, interact with other people, you don't want any social interaction at all, then these two websites, rev.com and GoTranscript.com, are perfect for you. Especially if you're the type of person who just wants to focus on the work, being behind the computer, and just, taking all the time that you want to work or working as much as you want, then you can pick either of these two websites. Alright, so those are the 4 websites which is going to help us make money today in 2021. And again, this works all over the world, this is free, and whatever your age is, you can do this. And that's it! If you've learned something from this video and if you like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell as well, and like this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to go in the comment section and comment down below.